Hi, hello everyone. I am Suja, working at SNS Academy as the Science faculty. Now let's move on to our video. Welcome to the educational video Journey of Food. Now I want you to think about your favorite food. Does your mouth water? Absolutely. Your mouth waters, right? So this water in your mouth is a digestive juice called saliva. It is secreted by three pairs of salivary glands in your mouth. Chewing breaks down the food into small pieces and mixes it with saliva. This process is called mastication. So, the digestion of food begins inside your mouth when you chew the food, and the starch is converted into simpler substance. Some of the starch is converted into simpler compounds. The food then slides down through the pharynx into the thin tube that reaches the connects to the stomach. This thin tube is called esophagus and it is made up of muscles. These muscles gently push down the food in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. The food then reaches the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped bag made up of muscles. It can hold up to 2 liters of food at a time. Also, the food remains in the stomach from few minutes to few hours, and it depends upon the food that you have eaten. Okay. The inner lining of stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach. The acid, that is the hydrochloric acid, kills the bacteria that enter along with the food and also help in digestion of proteins. The stomach muscles squeeze and mix the food with digestive juices. The digestive juices breaks down the protein into simple substances. So the food is partly digested in the stomach. Then it goes into the small intestine. This is the small intestine. The muscles in the small intestine mix food with more digestive juices. Some juices are secreted by the cells of the small intestine. Other come from the liver and also pancreas. So pancreas is situated just below your stomach. The liver secretes bile juice which is stored in this gallbladder. And from the gallbladder, the bile juice is poured into the small intestine through thin ducts. And this bile juice helps to break down fats into simpler compounds called fatty acids and glycerol. The pancreas secrete pancreatic juices. This pancreatic juice is poured into the small intestine also through a thin duct. And this pancreatic juice changes starch into simple sugars and proteins into simpler compounds called amino acids. The digested food is then absorbed by the small intestine. Absorption of food occurs through the small finger-like projections. There are thousands of small finger-like projections on the inner walls of the small intestine. These projections are known as villi. Each villi has a network of fine capillaries through which the nutrients are transported to other parts of the body through the blood. The food absorbed into the blood is transported to provide energy, materials for growth, and also to repair body tissues. The remaining undigested food passes through the large intestine. Here, most of the water is absorbed in the large intestine, and the solid waste, that is the fecal matter, is stored in the rectum. Rectum is at the end of the large intestine. See, this is the rectum. It is towards the end of the large intestine, and here the fecal matter is stored until it can be thrown out of our body. And this fecal matter is eliminated out of our body through an opening called anus. So, how incredible is it? The journey of food right from the mouth to the anus. Each organ plays an important role in absorbing the nutrients to keep our body healthy and nourished. I hope you all enjoyed the educational video. Now remember to take care of your digestive system by eating healthy and balanced diet. Okay? And also practice good eating habits. Thank you.